Alright guys, so I got my new system on. I got everything to work except for my camera, and the airbag light is on, so I'll just figure it out another day. But I'll show you guys right now. Here it is, guys. Call it the Tesla screen. So basically, this is an Android tablet. It's integrated with my car. Got navigation, backup camera. It's all integrated with my car system. You could screen your phone onto here so that you can like see whatever your phone sees. You could go online with it. You could do basically anything you want. You got your apps list right here. You got navigation, you got file manager, everything that your phone has, it's on here.